Welcome back. So for the web development, basically we will be needing few things which everyone should know. So that is HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, Ajax, and one database, Anti. So for what basically HTML does is with the help of HTML, we can create the whole website, and along with the website, we can create components like forms, buttons, and etc. With the help of CSS, we will be doing the styling things like normal styling regarding the margins or colors or backgrounds. So we can do all that with the help of CSS, but only normal styling. And with the help of Bootstrap, we will do the same styling process, but it is much more easy with the Bootstrap. So basically, we will be using it for responsiveness. And then Bootstrap also have some predefined classes like m-4, like so m-4 means margin of all sides of 4 pixels. So we will be using Bootstrap as well. And the JavaScript, it basically is used for user actions, like user clicks on the button. So any user interaction with our website will be dealt with JavaScript and Ajax. So Ajax is basically used for transferring the data which user enters in our forms. So transferring the data to our controller so that we can insert that data on our database. And Ajax is also used for redirections and other things as well, which we will see later in our videos. So for the database, I already told that we can use any database, but here I'm going to use MySQL to enter the data in our database. Okay. So for running Apache, you can install XAMPP. I already have XAMPP installed in my system and that is also running. So basically it will do what is if I have it running, then if I go on my browser and say localhost and press enter. So you can see I can access the localhost server and it shows the home page of XAMPP. So we will be later modifying this and we will be creating our own page of HTML and we will be displaying it through this Apache XAMPP. So let's continue on our next videos.